Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you calm down? Okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nem, and this is my co-host who's always here, Valentine. Okay. But today we're going to be filming a very fun video. Well, we're going to be making my version, my spin on a vision board. So basically what a vision board is, let me just explain. It's a board, basically. It's a poster board where you put pictures of the different things that you want to achieve, your goals, places you want to go, people you want to meet, just basically a board with all your goals on it, right? A lot of the times people make them in the beginning of the year, they make them once a year, and they just hang them up somewhere in their room, in their closet, in their bathroom, somewhere where they can always see it. Let me show you guys my sister's vision board. This is the vision board that my sister made this year. So if you can just kind of get the idea, she's got photos, she's got little quotes all over it. And so this is her like yearly vision board. And so the idea behind a vision board is that if you're constantly looking at your goals, if you're constantly looking at your desires, it kind of motivates you, but it also subconsciously allows those things to be magnetized towards you. It's all about intention, essentially. Like, that is the point of a vision board. Now, me personally, I like to do something a little bit different. So I like Can you move a little bit? What? You want this? Hold on 1 second. Come here. She wants water. Always wants water out of my water bottle. Even though her water is just downstairs. Okay, go. That's enough. Okay. Anyway, I like to get a scrapbook and I like to create something called a dream journal. This is one of my old vision books. It's really cute. Hold on. It's actually adorable. And so it's got my name, memories and moments, Nem. And the reason I like to do a vision book instead of a vision board is really because the reason I like to do a vision book instead of a vision board is really because I think that sometimes having a vision board, it's a little bit like, well, it's huge, right? So you have to stick it in your room, but then it's like, for me, I kind of like the things that I'm like my goals to be a bit more private. I'm someone who I don't really like to talk about things until like they're already done. And I don't know, I just kind of like to be a little bit more private with it. So having a big board that I'm gonna like stick up somewhere in my room, like I don't want my parents or my sister or my friends to like really see it. And so doing it in a book, it just allows me to like tuck it away at night, you know, put it on my bookshelf or just like stick it somewhere. I can always close it and it's kind of more private and just for me. And also a board has like, you have a limited amount of space. Even if you get a really big board, you can probably only get a certain amount of pictures on it, right? But me getting my scrapbooks, there's like 100 pages in it, right? And so I'll do like, instead of doing it once a year, I'll actually like vision book once a month. And so if you want to be able to make a dream journal just like I've made one, make sure to go over to my Instagram page, Rich Girls Online, and follow. Click the link in my bio and join my email list. The people on this email list will be notified when my Rich Girls Online Dream Journal kit
and Craftbox goes live, guys. I will probably only have 10 to 15 kits and craft boxes available at the first drop. So first come, first serve. Get on my email list, guys. I have a photo printer. I literally have anything and everything you could ever need to create the most ultimate dream journal kit, guys. Level up your life, get your scripting, take your vision boarding to the next level, and just make it fun.
Bye bye. Bye. Have a great time.